arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever found yourself caught up in a dispute and wished there was a way to solve it without heading straight to court? Well, today I have some exciting news for you. Let's delve into the fascinating world of arbitration. Now, first and foremost, what is arbitration? Think of it as a private courtroom. It is a method where parties in dispute allow a neutral third party, called an arbitrator, to make a decision about the dispute. But unlike court judges, the arbitrator is typically someone both parties have chosen. Cool, right? And now let's talk numbers. Did you know that as of last year, roughly 60% of all commercial contracts had an arbitration clause? That is more than half, folks. Why? Because it's often faster, more private, and oftentimes even more cost-effective than litigation. So, how does this process work? Step 1. The two parties agree to arbitrate. This can either be done beforehand, in the form of an arbitration clause in a contract, or after a dispute has already arisen. Step 2. Both parties decide on who will be their arbitrator. If they can't decide, an organization like ours can help make that selection. Step 3. The disputing parties present their case. This is where it gets real. Each side gets to present evidence, call witnesses, and make arguments. Much like what happens in court, but in a more relaxed setting. Step 4. The arbitrator deliberates and then delivers an award. This is the final decision, and in many cases it's binding. That means in most scenarios it cannot be easily appealed or overturned. But here is another surprising statistic. Do you know that around 80% of arbitrations result in a settlement before the arbitrator even makes a decision? That is right. It seems the process itself encourages resolution. So the next time you find yourself in a sticky situation, remember there is an alternative to a full-blown courtroom drama. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you are interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You are paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That is the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think of arbitration? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.